Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is browser options. Browser options are used to configure the browser before it launches. Browser options we can control browser behavior such as running in incognito mode, disabling notifications, starting maximized, running headless, adding arguments for stability in CI environments. Browser options are set before creating the WebDriver instance. Once the browser is launched, options cannot be changed. In real projects, browser options help reduce test flakiness, handle pop-ups and notifications, makes test stable in local and CI execution. Chrome option is the most commonly used option class in Selenium. In the sample script, as you can see, we have Chrome options configured and which are used for the driver initialization. Now we will run the script and see how it is been handled. Configuring browser options before launching the Chrome. I am disabling the notifications. As you can see here, I have disabled the notifications and then opening the browser in incognito mode. If you see, I have passed an argument incognito mode. Selenium then launches the browser. If you see, it is launched the browser with Cognito application. Then this shows that we have controlled the browser before the startup itself. And once it has started, it has navigated to the particular application with the options we provided. This is how browser options are used to control browser behavior in Selenium automation and control them.